Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to spice up your videos? I'll show you how to make awesome transitions in Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Presentation from the options. Next, select this presentation to get started. After that, browse through the available templates and choose the one that suits your needs best. This will set the style for your new presentation. This template stops on the left, just like the one shown here. To add additional sections or items, click on the template, then select the plus icon. This lets you continue building your layout with more elements as needed. To add a transition between these pages in your design, hover your mouse over the area between the pages. Click the plus icon that appears to open the transition options menu. Select each slide, then choose a transition effect from the available options. This allows you to apply different transitions to each slide individually as needed. Select the clip, then adjust the duration. Set the desired time in and time out points for your selection. You can also apply these settings across all pages for a consistent look. All pages will now use the same transition. If you want to customize transitions for different slides, select a slide, then choose a different transition effect from the menu. Repeat this process for any other slides you'd like to change. This allows you to mix and match transitions as needed. To edit the timing, first select all the items you want to adjust. Hold down the Shift key, then click the first item. While still holding Shift, click the last item in the range. This will select everything between the first and last items, allowing you to adjust their timing all at once. Edit the timing by entering 3 seconds in the box. This will set the desired duration for this step before continuing to the next part of the process. To add a transition in Canva, start by selecting the slide you want to animate. Click on the slide, then select the Transitions button at the top. Choose your preferred transition style from the options provided. Preview your presentation to see the transition in action. Click the Share button, then select Download. You can choose to save this file as a PowerPoint presentation, or if you prefer, select the MP4 option to download your project as a video for easier sharing. Learn some cool creative transitions in Canva? Hit like, subscribe, and keep your edits looking fresh.